र यस गुरुकुलका बटुक यस विद्यालय व्यवस्थापन हाम्रो रोहित तिवारी भाइबाट संस्कृतको वाङ्मय आधुनिक विज्ञानको बारेमा शीर्षकमा अंग्रेजी भाषामा केही उहाँले सान्दर्भिक उद्बोधन गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ। म भाइ रोहित तिवारीज्यूलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। गुरुकुलका प्रतिभा रोहित तिवारी भाइ संस्कृत वाङ्मय र आधुनिक विज्ञानलाई उहाँले आधुनिक विज्ञान शीर्षकमा अंग्रेजीमा भाषण गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ। हेर्नु त यहाँ पढेका विद्यार्थी पनि अंग्रेजीमा कम्ती छैनन् है, कस्तो छ यहाँ अंग्रेजी पनि पढाइ हुन्छ। यसको बारेमा उन भाइले हामीलाई दिँदै हुनुहुन्छ सान्दर्भिक परिचय। ल भाइलाई अनुरोध गर्दछु रोहित तिवारी।
ओम हरिगण्ड समुद्भूते सुरासुर नमस्कृते अघौघ समने देवी पापम में हर गंडकी। नमस्ते and namo narayana to everyone present, ladies and gentlemen and highly honorable chief and chairman and all devotees. Today I am very happy to get golden chance to expect some expression in English in this occasion Uttarakhand ki Virat Gyan Mahayagya. Today I am going to tell about the glory of Sanskrit language. The glory of Sanskrit language is not only reflected in its culture and spiritual richness but also in its scientific and linguistic precision. Many ancient texts including slokas were composed in Sanskrit containing deep philosophical, mathematical and scientific knowledge. These slokas often express ideas that resonate with modern science and philosophy, showcasing the scientific brilliance of the ancient scholars. Here are a few examples of Sanskrit slokas with their scientific significance. Slok from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 11, verse 20. Om Dyava Prithibhyo Ridamantaram hi Vyaptam Toyaikena Disascha Sarvaha Drishtvadbhutam Rupamugram Tavedam Lokatrayam Prabhyathitam Mahatman. These words describe the cosmos from of Lord Krishna, emphasizing the vastness of the universe. Nanascharya-vadhanikam drashtumichanti mamakam. These words highlights infinite nature of the cosmos. Modern cosmology recognizes the universe as vast and possibly infinite, with dimensions and phenomena far beyond the comprehensions of human senses, echoing the Bhagavad Gita description of the unimaginable scale of the cosmos. The idea that our understanding of the universe is limited to our senses and different perspective inquiry into the unknown speaks reality. Slok from the Vedas on energy and creation. Nainam chindanti sastrani, nainam dahati pavakaha, na chainam gledayantyapo, na sosayati karutaha. Weapons cannot cut the soul, fire cannot burn it, water cannot wet it, and wind cannot dry it. This internal energy is indestructible. This verse can be created to the concept of energy conservation and indestructibility of energy in physics. Modern physics tells us that cannot be energy created or destroyed. Slok from the Yoga Sutras on the mind-body connection. In Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, there are verses that relationship between the Yoga Sutras, mind, body and consciousness. Yoga chitta vrittir nirodha. Yoga is the cessation of the fluctuation of the mind. This slokas aligns with modern psychology and neuroscience, where the role of the mental discipline, activity and improving well-being is well documented. Studies show how practice like meditation can reduce stress, improve brain function and even rewire neural pathways. Connection ancient practice with scientific research on the mind-body connection. The Sanskrit language, especially in its slokas, demonstrates an extraordinary of the natural world, encompassing the idea that were ahead of their time. Many of the principles in ancient texts give found to have profound deep correlations with scientific discoveries. this precise structure, depth and philosophical richness, Sanskrit make it a timeless tool for expressing profound scientific and metaphysical truths. Mama bhasa samskritam jana bhasa samskritam deva bhasa samskritam matri bhasa samskritam hridaya mana atma bhasa samskritam jayatu 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 samskritam purvaja muni jana sevita bhasa purvaja muni jana sevita bhasa वेदोपनिषद दर्शन भाषा हिमगिरि मण्डित सतता खण्डित हिमगिरि मण्डित सतता खण्डित नेपाल राष्ट्र भाषा संस्कृतम जयतु 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 संस्कृतम। थ्याङ्क यू।
धन्यवाद। हेर्नु त कति राम्रो अङ्ग्रेजीमा यसै गुरुकुलमा